Hello, and welcome to DIY Stitching, where creativity comes to life with every stitch. Today, we're excited to share our latest hand embroidery project with you. We've limited our pattern for the purpose of this video, but feel free to continue and expand it if you like it. We've kept the video as short and clear as possible. We invite you to watch from start to finish for a complete and clear explanation. We've attached a grid PDF file in the description below for your convenience. We recommend using a heat erasable pen for grid drawing. It makes your work much easier. It's important to select the right size of needle for the beading part. You'll need a needle with a large enough hole to thread both pearl cotton and beads. Make sure to evenly divide the bead stitching. This is crucial for achieving a neat pattern. Uneven division can result in a messy outcome. For the weaving part, you can use a tapestry needle. Its blunt tip helps avoid snagging the foundation stitches. At DIY Stitching, we love exploring hand embroidery beyond limits. If you enjoy our content, please comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support motivates us to create more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.